Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered how to change cups into ounces? Today, we're going to use ratios to convert customary units.
Hello everyone, I'm Math Master John. Today's lesson is ratio reasoning and customary unit conversions. Today, we're going to learn how to compare measurement and solve everyday problems using ratio and customary unit. Today's lesson objective, what we will learn today. First, customary unit. You're going to discover the measurement system we use every day in America. The second one, converting unit. You will learn how to change from one unit to another unit accurately. For example, when you are given the yard, then how can we convert yard to feet correctly? And third one, ratio reasoning. You're going to use ratios to solve real-world measurement problems. You use these skills when you cook, travel, shop, and measure things in your daily life. Let's dive in. What a customary unit? In the United States, we use customary unit to measure different things around us. Have you ever heard about that? Yard or feet or gallon? When you watch the NFL or when you watch the Netflix drama, these measurements are customary units used in America. These measurements help us describe size, weight, and volume in ways everyone can understand. Customary units are organized into three main categories based on what we are measuring. These are the three types of customary unit: the length, weight, volume. The length is how long or far something is. There are inches, feet, yard, miles for length. The weight is how heavy something is. Ounces, pounds, tons are example of weight. The volume is how much liquid fits in a container. For ounces, cups, pints, quarts, gallons are example of volume. Okay, let's move on to the real-life example, measuring length. A classroom ruler typically measures 12 inches, which equals 1 foot. Your desk might be 3 feet long. When you measure the length of your desk, then you may use the foot unit measurement. Measuring weight. A person's weight is measured in pounds. A small bag of apples might weigh 5 pounds. Measuring volume. Milk is often sold in gallons at the grocery store. A juice box contains about 1 cup of liquid. Then what does it mean to convert unit? To convert unit means to change one unit of measurement into another unit that measures the same amount. Think of it like changing money. Just as 4 quarters equals $1, different measurement units can represent the same amount. So food can be converted to inches and vice versa, cups, pints, pounds, ounces. Okay, then using ratio to convert length. The key ratio is 1 foot equal to 12 inches. Using this key ratio, you can convert length. This creates the ratio 1 foot to 12 inches. Okay, here's an example. Let's start with what you know. A loaf is 3 feet long. Then we can use the ratio by multiplying 3 feet times 12 inches per foot, which is 46 inches. And 3 feet equals 46 inches. Ratio helps us compare and convert units correctly every time. Converting weight using ratio. The weight ratio, 1 pound equal to 16 ounces. This gives us the ratio 1 pound to 16 ounces. Let's try an example. If a package weighs 5 pounds, how many ounces is that? Let's set up the problem. 5 pounds times 16 ounces per pound. Then multiply 5 times 16 equal to 80. So 5 pounds equals 80 ounces. Always multiply by the number of units in the ratio. Okay, then let's move on to comparing volume with ratio reasoning. For volume, there is a different customary unit. 1 cup equal to 8 fluid ounces, 1 pint, 2 cups, and 1 quart equal to 2 pints, and 1 gallon equal to 4 quarts. This volume ratio helps us convert between different liquids measurement. Let's see how they work together. Volume conversion example. Here's a question. How many cups are in 2 pints? Okay, let's solve. The first step, we know 1 pint equal to 2 cups. The second step, we have 2 pints. Third step, calculate 2 pints times 2 cups per pint. The first step, answer is 2 times 2, giving us 4 cups. So using ratio keeps our thinking organized and accurate. Write down the ratio first, then multiply. Then why ratio reasoning matters? When you cook or baking, then following recipe requires converting cups to tablespoons or doubling measurement. Or when you plan trips, then planning trips means converting miles to feet or understanding travel distance. Suppose you are traveling to America, and then when you look at the map, there will be the customary unit, which feet, yard. Then if you are not American, you need to convert this customary unit to kilometer or meter something that you are familiar with. Smart shopping. Compare prices and quantities help you find the best details. Then, what's the benefits of understanding ratio? First one, it helps you avoid mistakes. Using ratios help you convert accurately and avoid measurement errors in homework and real life. The second one, understanding relationship. You will see how different units connect and relate to each other in meaningful ways. Solve real problems. Apply your skills to everyday situations like cooking, building, project, and sports. So when you understand ratio, unit conversion become much easier and feel natural. Quick reference guide. For lengths, 1 foot equal to 12 inches, 1 yard, 3 feet, 1 mile, 5,280 feet. For weight, 1 pound equal to 16 ounces, 1 ton equal to 2,000 pounds. For volume, 1 cup equal to 8 fluid ounces, 1 pint equal to 2 cups, 1 quart equal to 2 pints, 1 gallon equal to 4 quarts. Keep this reference handy while you practice. These are the most common conversions you will use. Let's review what we've learned. First one, customary unit, including inches, feet, pounds, ounces, cups, and gallons for length, weight, and volume. 2. Converting unit means changing from one measurement to another, like converting 3 feet into 36 inches using multiplication. Third, ratios are the key tool for accurate conversions. They show the relationship between the unit and help us calculate correctly. 4. These skills help us solve real-world problems, from cooking recipes to planning trips to comparing prices at the store. Great job today. Keep practicing this conversion, and soon they will feel simple and natural. You are building important math skills that you will use throughout your life. The more you practice ratio reasoning, the easier unit conversions become. You've got this. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.